Grade 7, Lesson 1.4, Phone Fields. In this experiment, students will explore how powerful neodymium magnets inside a smartphone are used and how scarce materials from faraway places are important in our lives. To do this experiment, we will use a smartphone, headphones, and the PocketLab Voyager. To get started with data collection, go to the PocketLab.com/app. Turn on the sensor, and you'll see the LED flash red and green. And then go to Connect a PocketLab. You will see the device pop up in the Bluetooth connection screen. Click on your device called PL Voyager and select Pair. The menu on the screen will say Connecting, and then data will come through in real time from the device. You are currently seeing acceleration in X, Y, and Z being streamed from the PocketLab Voyager. For this experiment, we want to measure magnetic fields using the magnetometer sensor. Select the Select Graphs icon, unselect acceleration, and for this experiment, select Magnetic Field Magnitude. Click Done. You'll see a line graph of the magnetic field present measured in the units microtesla. You can zero out the current reading by clicking on the menu icon and clicking 0. This removes the effect of the Earth's magnetic field from the current reading. With the PocketLab Voyager, we're going to scan over our smartphone and our headphones to locate where the strong magnets are in these devices. We're going to look at the data in a line graph, but you can also switch the view to a bar graph or a digits view, depending on your needs. Click Line Graph and then Record to start saving the data that appears on the screen. We're going to take the device and we're going to place it on top of our cell phone, and then we're going to scan across the device very slowly in a back and forth pattern. Students should be able to see from the graph where the magnetic field increases as they move the sensor over top of the phone. You can stop the recording and look at how the data changed as you moved around the phone. You can save this data either as a CSV file or locally, or you can save a screenshot of your graph to revisit later. We're going to clear this data and then just revisit some of those places where we saw a large increase in the magnetic field. So near the top of the cell phone, here near the ear speaker. And at the bottom of the phone, near the loudspeakers. As you can see, the magnetometer is very sensitive to position and the location of those permanent magnets inside the cell phone. We will clear that data and start a new recording. This time we're going to scan our headphones. We can stop the recording and then observe the data, and students can draw conclusions from the graph that they've recorded.